What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This week we're going up to Kevy G's house. Yes, it's nighttime. Got the EL warming up, as you guys can see. Just getting the fluids warmed up before I head out. Kev bought something pretty big but pretty small for the EG. I'm gonna give him a hand getting it all ready. We'll show you guys once we get there. It's a pretty big purchase in a sense where it's a nice mod that he's gonna do, and it's gonna benefit the EG in the long run, and super excited for him. So we're gonna go vlog that, chill out, and if we have some time, we're gonna head by Mercer's. I gotta go pick up my release bearing. So yeah, a lot of plans, stuff for this video. It is nighttime. It's been pretty hectic with the heat this past week, and it was raining heavily all day. So now it's cleared up. It's kind of cool, and we're just gonna vlog away. So let's get this vlog going, guys. Alright, guys, we made it to Kev's house. There he is.
What's up, what's up?
And that is his new purchase right here. He just picked up a 1993 Civic SI here in Canada, EX there in the States. Complete VTEC motor with 140,000 kilometers. And it's actually really clean. Picked it up off a good buddy of ours, Mike. He's doing a case swap on his EG. So as soon as this thing went up for sale, I DM'd Kev, let him know about it, and he jumped right on it. It's a lot of the things he's going to be getting rid of, like intake manifold, fuel rail, hoses, because he's going to be swapping it from his non-VTEC. But yeah, nice little project over here for Kev. He's finally going to have VTEC. Came with a complete engine harness and ECU, so yeah, guys, really good condition. Just needs a nice little cleaning. And where's that bottle? There it is. So the same stuff that we used on Ashley's engine bay, we're gonna be using on this, and I'm gonna be giving him a hand cleaning it up. It's gonna take some time. He's gonna clean it up, get it all ready for then when it's ready to go in, he's ready to drop it in. Alright, guys, so we're gonna show you exactly how to dismantle a d16z6, exactly what sockets you're gonna need and what tools. So for now, Kev's using his impact driver with a 14. He's also gonna need a 10 at some point, a 12, and
Phillips probably.
Phillips
For small little things like little brackets.
Yeah, he's right. So Kevin's already going on and dismantling the alternator. He's got his nice little surgical gloves on. Like, guys, this isn't even painted. That's just a raw finish. Like, that's how good of a condition this engine's in.
Alternator's out.
So that's done.
This off for now.
So everyone knows Kevin's dismantling the motor because he's gonna degrease it and then he's gonna eventually paint it the high heat silver. Give it a nice fresh look before it goes into the EG.
One, two, three, and I believe
There's a fourth one,
there's one here.
but that's for the bracket, I believe. That one.
Yeah,
But
I want to see if I can take everything off one shot.
But I think you're taking off the three that takes this off.
That one to there. One here.
Yeah. And there should be a third one on the bottom.
This to separate this to separate this. Once I separate this, I should be able to get these. Oh, I think that's a 12.
Once you get it loose enough. Alright guys, so Kev just pulled out the power steering pulley because his EG has a manual rack. He's not going to be running power steering. So now, I don't know if you guys can see, let me just change the angle. So right where Kev's finger is.
1, 2, 3,
I think that's
14s.
3 14s? They look like 12s. Maybe a 14. But anyway, these three will take out this bracket away from the post mount. And will be one less thing to worry about.
This, I put WD-40 earlier. So there's 4, not 3.
So there's a fourth one. So now we're moving on to the intake manifold. So you're gonna need a couple 12s with an extension for that one. Guys, remind you, this is all easier when the motor is out of the car.
That one came out not bad. I already broke one bolt on the exhaust.
That's okay. As you guys remember from that video when me and Mercer went to the scrapyard to rip out the white manifold for the D17, it's the same concept, just showing how much easier it is once when the motor is actually out of the car. Nope. I think we gotta take the fuel rail off.
That's what I'm trying to do. It's going to be easier to get to those 12.
Alright boys and ladies, it's probably like a leaf. The manifold's out. He's just debating if he wants to separate it right there or right there. That's his debatable thing. I told him to get an X-Acto knife and cut it right here, in between. Oh shit, almost dropped the camera. But yeah, I just can't wait till we start cleaning it up. I just want to spray the shit out of this thing with the greaser and then let him do all the rubbing.
I still gotta separate this coolant one. Should I separate it here?
So you're gonna get all brand new rad hoses for this. You already got the two silicone ones for the front, the main and the upper and lower one for the rad.
I have this one new as well. Everything back, no, some of the stuff back here is new as well. Because when I did the manifold,
yes, you had to replace them. So
this one I don't think I technically need, but I can't even get it up.
But I just can't get over the condition of like how well of a shape this motor actually is. Now Kevin's gone so far in his D-series build that it makes no sense for him to swap into a B or a K. So the next best thing was just to put vtec on his D, and it's gonna be nice.
I don't need this. I'm just gonna cut it. I can't take it out. It's in there.
No, you can get it out. You gotta try.
No. I don't need it.
Okay, so just
Worst
cut
case,
it. Just cut it.
Just put all new hoses.
Just cut it up.
Leave some slack.
There you go.
This one. Do I need this hose? Just gonna separate it. Holy fuck.
Try spitting on it. Call it a bad girl.
I don't think that's gonna work.
You never know until you try, man. Dude, that almost punched the camera, which almost punched me. That would have been amazing. A trifecta of things.
Manifold's out.
Hey Kev, on a serious note though, okay?
Yeah.
Serious note. Never mind that. You want to supercharge it? Like do a Craftworks kit, so that way there won't be one of one anymore?
No, I don't want to cut. No.
You're smirking, you're thinking about it though.
Maybe boost.
Oh shit.
So it's not the same.
A nice little precision turbo in this thing.
Could be. I don't know. We'll see later on down the road.
Alright guys, sorry I was playing a mobile game. I forgot that Kevin was tackling the VTEC solenoid because he's gonna paint it. So it's 3 10mm. He's just putting them back in, and then you're gonna tape that up over there, right?
Yeah. Once I'm ready to clean all that oil off for now.
It's looking like a bare long block again. And one step at a time. Just gotta be careful for the knock sensor right there, not that one right there, not to break it. See the green sensor right there?
What's the knock sensor?
That's a knock sensor. No break at that thing.
Yeah, I gotta take that out. I get that.
Alright, starter's out. He's just tightening up the bolts back into the spots. It's getting late, so Kev's not going to clean up the engine tonight. He's probably going to be tackling it tomorrow. But that's pretty much the engine bare with the tranny. And I think he's going to leave this valve cover on, so that way when he paints it, nothing...
I have another one. I'll probably take this one off. And then, that way I don't damage this one. I already have a fucked up one over here.
Yeah, that's true. Makes sense. But that's the d16z6 all bare. Pretty much ready to get degreased now. and then lay some paint on it.
Maybe during the week. Just want to see how good this does. I'm gonna buy other degreaser shit too. Just gonna let it cake on here.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for Kevin and I tonight on his new motor. You alright, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. Just, thinking of ideas.
So I'm gonna head over to Diogo's storage unit where he's got his Mark II Jetta. Pass by, see how he's doing, see the progress on his Jetta. Like I said, tonight actually is just a regular vlog, catching up with some of the guys' builds, keep you guys all on the know. The cars are all coming up pretty good this year. There's really nothing that we can do this year. No events. So I guess we're just getting the cars ready for the next year. Hopefully, fingers crossed, next season will be good. But at least we get to enjoy the cars as a group.
Yep.
So I'm gonna leave it here at KevEG. So guys, doing something a little different, Can't always just do everything about me, because to be successful in life, you can never do everything on your own. You always have to have a strong affirmative team, and I have the best team. I have great friends, and I love to share their cars on the channel too, because they got some badass cars. So guys, as always, just send it, and peace.